What's up, guys? DanX11 here. This is going to be an update on the red Polaris. So, one of the issues with it is the low beams don't work. And you can't find bulbs for it. So, that's my fan. I wired it so it runs all the time because this thing runs hot for some reason. Also, the little doohickey that goes down in there that turns the fan off and on when you're, when you get hot and it needs the fan, it doesn't work anymore. It exploded. So we're going to be upgrading the lights from old school halogen bulbs to these guys. It's going to be a lot better. So yeah, we're going to do that real quick. I'm going to undo these 4 Phillips head screws and take the rack loose on top so I can get to the wiring and remove the original headlights a lot easier. All right, got us a drill with a big old number 3 Phillips head, which is what size these are. Nice. Let's see if it'll just lift right off. Whoa. Now, there's old winch wiring on this, but the winch does not work anymore. Man, that looks horrible. It's like cut. Huh. Wow, that could be why it quit working. Short it out. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all that. We're gonna put a new winch on it. These are our lights. They are held in with a bolt. There it is. And it what looks to be like probably a, I don't know, maybe a 10 or 11 or something like that. But I'm probably not gonna use the original light mount because it swivels this way. And the new lights, they swivel up and down. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, they're too wide. Different. So, it came with mounts. These little black brackets. Yeah, they're somewhat the same size. But, problem is these lights have to be upright, not sideways. So if I do them sideways, the light pattern won't be right on the ground. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the whole mount off and probably mount them directly to this very, very thick plastic right here. It's like 1/2 inch thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting those loose. I'll let you know what bolt size it is. All right, so it is a 1/2 inch socket. I just used a deep well with an extension and it fits right down in the hole there. There it is. Perfect fit. So got those off. I mean, they're full of water. Yeah, they're wore out. Time for an upgrade. So, let's see what we got here. I'm not sure exactly how or where I want to put them. That's gonna look pretty good. Yeah, they'll be higher and straighter, but you know, I think that'll look all right. So I'm gonna check out these mounts real quick, see what kind of hardware they got. They got 2 big bolts, one there and one there. So all I gotta do is I'm gonna measure from this angle down and I'm gonna measure from this tip in and try to create a perfect little spot right there on both sides, so that way they're both centered and one's not cocked or whatever. So I'm gonna draw some lines and drill a hole real quick. I recommend doing that too. It'll make it straighter, you know, measurements and whatnot. I've got them mounted. It's kind of a pain in the butt because in behind the bumper there are supports and it's very hard to get a nut started back there. So be wary of that. But yeah, just drilled a hole. Mine had like a line here and then over, and I drilled the hole right where it met. Same on both sides. There was a line down, over, and then back up. So I just drilled it right there in the center. And they both look pretty good. Probably gonna try and aim them here in a minute. This one right here is kind of wonky. The frame was a little bent on it. That looks better. I'm gonna do some wiring real quick. I'm just gonna snip these wires, put some barrels on them, because I mean, I don't ever plan on changing these. And if I do, I'll just cut the wires. So let me get this wiring hooked up real quick. So what I did was just 2 barrel connections. So on the left, green is red and brown is black. So I'm gonna hit it with some electrical tape and wrap up the other side and we'll try them out. All right, got the other one wired up. Same colors on both sides. Green is red and brown is black. Pays to have tools. So let's give them a try. Here we go. Nice. Heck yeah. We'll try it outside. Let me slap the old rack on real quick. Use our Phillips head drive guy here. Oh, that's not a Phillips. There he is. Yeah, they should just line right back up. And they do. Here we go. They look pretty even on top. That one needs to go left just a little bit. That looks pretty good. Yeah, a little bit back. There we go. All right, well, it's better than the stock lights, so let's go try it out. Okay, I was gonna get a video of it in the outside, but it, as you can tell, started to rain, and I wasn't about to get my phone wet, so another time. But they are bright for sure. I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah. I can turn the lights off in the garage, you can get an idea. Pretty bright, way better than stock. So yeah, I gotta put a coolant temperature switch on the radiator to make that fan shut up. Bearings are going out. But anyway, not too bad, I like it. A little simple upgrade. Way better than the stock headlights. That'd be great on the trail. So yeah, just a little upgrade. Like it if you like it and dislike it if you hate it. And hey, we'll see you in the next one. Later.